Alright, today we're looking at a set of Audeze Maxwell headphones and we're going to do an ear pad installation. Okay, pre-installation. First of all, the left side of the headphones is the side that has all the buttons on it, just in case you take your ear pads off and you don't remember. Now, the ear pads are left and right. Obviously, they are different, so they're not interchangeable. So the left pad will only fit left, right pad only fits right. Now, looking on the back of the ear pad, you can see that there's 4 little slots right here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And those 4 slots are going to line up with these 4 clips on the actual headphone right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, Audeze's done a good job with this because what they've done is actually, even though it's a circular ear pad, if you try to install the ear pad any other way besides there's only exactly one way it will fit on, so you just rotate it in and it eventually sits in place and you can attach it. If you try to turn it upside down, the actual clips or the slots on the back of the headphone don't line up with the slots on the back of the ear pad don't line up with the clips or pieces of plastic on the actual earphone, so it won't install any way besides the correct way. All right, removing the ear pads. All you're going to do is look on the left side of the earphone first before you remove the ear pad. All these buttons here, you don't want to be pressing on those while you're actually removing the ear pad, because anytime you push too hard on stuff like this, it breaks. So what I like to do is I put my thumb on the yoke and my fingers on the yoke around the outside housing, away from all this. All you're going to do is grip the ear pad and you're going to twist clockwise, and that will release the ear pad. It's the same thing for the right side. You're obviously going to grip it the same way, just opposite hand, and you're going to turn into this way, clockwise, and off it comes. Now you have the right ear pad here, left ear pad here. You're looking on the back, you can see that there is 4 little cutouts or slots for the 4 little plastic pieces here, and they basically slide underneath those. The ear pad plastic slides underneath the earphone face plastic bits. Now, what Audeze has done is actually quite good. The ear pad will only actually fit one way, so even though it's circular, if you try the correct way, you basically put it on the ear pad like this, and you can see that it's not fitting right now because there's a gap, but if I just rotate it a bit, it eventually fits flat like this. That means it's in position, and now you can attach it. And all you do is turn it counterclockwise or anti-clockwise, depending on where you're from, and it will attach. Now, for the right side, it's the exact same thing. You're going to take the ear pad, and you're just going to put it onto the face of the headphone, and you're going to turn it until it fits into place and is flush, and then it's just anti-clockwise pushing. And now they're attached. Now, one thing to take into account is when you're attaching the ear pad, sometimes you might not get all 4 of those ear pad slots clipped under the pieces of plastic on the earphone face. You might have one that's not in place basically, and the other 3 are, or maybe there's 2. So the best way, if you're having trouble with that, is to just apply some pressure as you push into the ear pad and turn. So rather than just turn, you're going to just push in, and you're just going to turn, or pull. In this case, I'm attaching it, so I'm pulling backwards. So it's very, very light. You're not going to push into here though, like you don't want your knuckles going into that, because you're going to break the speaker. It's just into the ear pad itself. So if we do it again, it's going to be like this, and I'm gripping the ear pad as I turn it, and I'm just pushing basically my palm and kind of my knuckles into here. So it's going to be kind of like that, and I'm just going to twist, and that's all done. And you do that for both sides.